Get started because I do know a lot of y'all probably want to see the camo jeans. I mean, they're so cute. We're in the size small. They fit me perfect. They have a tie string. And they're not like, I don't know, like I've tried on camo pants before, and some of them I don't know, I don't feel like myself in them. But these, maybe they're just like have the tie string and are a little bit baggy. Like I just feel comfortable. I feel like myself in them, which, like I said, I feel like is hard to do. I've tried on camo pants before and I was like, ooh, I can't do it. So these somehow really make me feel comfortable and are comfortable, like really baggy and comfy. I would say there's not like a ton of stretch. It's like a denim material. And just to get up close so you guys can see the pattern, there is like white paint splatter every so often. Also, so you guys know, I cut these. They were about 4 inches too long on me. I'm 5'1", so if you're if you're taller than 5'1", these will still work for you. If you're a shorty girl like me, I do recommend cutting because I was rolling and it just looked like messy. I feel like when you have jeans that have like pattern or something to it, you gotta cut it. I feel like rolling it is just too much going on. So cutting them was super easy. All you do is lay them on the ground. Well, first you put them on and you roll them and you kind of eyeball how many inches you want to take off. Then you put the jeans on the ground and you follow the end line, like the end of the jeans, this like hem, follow that line and you just go for it, cut it. And then you do the same on the other side. So, yeah, that's what I do when I cut my jeans. But I thought these were such a good find. Would also be good with like just a white tee, which I do have in my rack today. Just a simple white little baby tee. And I also have like an oversized white sweater, which, like I said, all these pieces are super interchangeable. And same like with this cardigan. Can also wear this cardigan. I have black pants I'm showing you guys on Thursday. But in this rack, I have a linen skirt, would be so cute with this cardigan. We have a little white lacy skirt. You know what I mean? Like all this, that's Oakley, you guys. Oakley's outside the door. She said she wanted to be in the show tonight. I told her she shouldn't. I told her she wasn't allowed. Okay, but the cardigan is a medium. And I would say she runs true to size. I did tuck her because I like to see the little tie here. She's so soft, ribbed. It's like isn't it white and black? It's more of like a cream and black. Like it's wearing the size medium in the sweater, oversized. See how she's baggy. You can also wear her open with like a tank underneath, but as you can see, I wore her like as the sweater. Jeans are size small. And then these new loafers, which I know are like really kind of crazy with this outfit because the jeans are crazy, but they looked so cute with I had like black jeans and like a blue denim vest, you guys, that I'm sharing tonight. The black jeans I keep talking about, I'm sharing on Thursday. I should have put them in the show, but I'll share them on Thursday. They look so cute. These silver.
How do those fit, those shoes?
They're true to size, you guys. I need to like put this on really quick so I can show you. But look up close. Do you see that padding? This is like an extra layer of padding. They are so comfortable. Could walk miles in them. Like so comfortable. Really like they're just really nice. Really, really nice. I think they're like $50 and well worth it, you guys. Like these could be $150 shoes. So comfortable. If the silvers are just a little bit crazy for you, get the black. I always try and show you guys kind of like more unique pieces just because I feel like it makes things more exciting when I'm sharing so many clothes at the rate that I'm sharing. But you can also just like get the most simplest stuff. Like these loafers would be so good just like in black. And on a side note, if you love these jeans and you're like, Ella, I love the way you styled this outfit, but the camo's not for me, I did link at the back of the show, Brandon, the black tie jeans. I own and love those jeans, wear them all the time. So yeah, like I said, if you're like, I want the look, but the camo's too much, get the black. They're so good. Brandon's going to feature them.
They're already being featured. That's how good I am at my
They're
job.
being featured. They run true to size. I believe I think I'm wearing a smaller 2. Like I always usually get like the smallest size available in like all of my jeans.
Are the camo ones, do they fit? How do they fit? Are they true to size?
Yeah.
Big, small, what?
No, they fit true to size and the string does work. This is the size small. I'm typically a size small. They're good. The only thing, they are long on me. So I did cut these. So if you're tall, they're perfect. Like that will work for you. But if you're a shorty girl, I do recommend cutting. That's the only thing is they're a little bit short, but they're so cute. And you guys know, I love showing you guys a little bit like fun and different vibes. I feel like, to be honest, you guys go crazy over the fun and different stuff. So
There's only one. What size is the jacket? I'm not sure if we're talking about that.
probably this jacket, which I can just try on. And I don't even know what size I got. I think I got the medium. Small, I got the small. Okay.
It's oversized.
It's oversized.
That's why. The title says oversized.
Oh, it does. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I go all the way off here. No one can see me, right?
Yeah, check that. If you can't see yourself, they can't see you.
No one can see me.
Yeah, you're good.
So, Brandon, make a joke or something. Do something cool.
Well, I have a couple things on my mind. First of all, my feet are sweating.
You think?
Yeah, it's like hot in here.
Well.
And
Okay.
second of all, why do you always get like iCloud? You know, it's like, oh, your iCloud is full. Your iCloud is full. It's super annoying.
Yeah.
I feel like that's been happening to me for the past 10 years, and I've just been burying that deep down.
I
hate it.
So, like, I have to pay for storage.
And my third thing, I'm not doing that. I'll never do that. And my third thing is, we gotta get rid of this chair.
I know.
It's too much.
Okay.
Look at it.
Yeah.
If anyone is local in Tampa and wants that chair, you can have it. I'll meet you somewhere.
Oh. I like the chair.
No, we're gonna give it away.
It's
too big for this room.
It's a question, Brandon.
Oh, sorry.
Are we Eagles?
You're an Eagles fan. No, she's not. She doesn't even. No. Here.
I truly wish I liked football. I really do, because I would love to have like a team. Like, I think it's so fun when people like get super, super into it. But I don't. Yeah, I don't, unfortunately. I just don't. I can't get into it, you guys. I just can't. I can't get into it. But I have family from Pittsburgh, so I feel like I'm a Steelers fan. And then, yeah, I don't know.
Sammy,
like, that's it.
If you're in Tampa, hit us up. You can have the chair. I'll meet you, and I'll give it to you. Actually, a nice chair, for real.
It was from Urban Outfitters. I like it. And, that's sad. You just sold my chair.
I did. I sold it for free.
Okay, but back to the outfits. Sammy, you get the chair somehow. I mean,
I think it would fit in like a car. It probably, yeah, it probably would. You might have to put like the front seat all the way up. You know?
Okay, wait. Okay. All right. This outfit.
Where's the sheepskin from? Sorry.
I don't remember. Some like random store.
Like Home Goods, probably.
No, it was like it was like a boutique. Okay, but this.
What's IRB?
In real life?
No, IRB. She said I live in IRB. I don't know what that is.
Oh, B at the end.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I said in real life. Okay. You're distracting me. You're distracting me.
Sorry.
Yes. Okay. So I love this outfit. It feels so chic, but still really, really fun and trendy. Like, I don't know. I feel like if I saw some girl walking down the street in this outfit, I would be like, okay, that's the cutest outfit. I have to ask her where that's from. And you guys, it's all clearly Amazon. Let's talk about the jacket first. This is